Hello dear students, today I am explaining chapter number 7, Editing and Animations Characteristics in Scratch. Actually, Scratch is a graphical programming languages which was developed in a group of MIT. Children can drag and combine blocks of codes to make a series of animations. One can even create single level and multi-level games by the Scratch programming. Teachers can use Scratch to create animated, effective educational tools such as puzzles, science simultaneous, and educational videos. Scratch is a free programmable toolkit that able kids to create its own games, animation stories, and interactive arts and share their creations with one and another over the internet. To open Scratch, double click the Scratch icons and or click on scratch.exe on the screens as the given following. It means by the meaning of this, Scratch is a programming languages which is used to develop some creative app and some games to make interest to the students to easily understood their topics related to science, maths, etc. So in this chapter we just learn about the Scratch. Look at this. This is a Scratch. This is a script, and this it's called script. This cat is called script. Okay, and this script in the Scratch. This is the background of Scratch programming languages. Okay, and this is the background. It's called stage. Okay, and here some commands related to the making programs. It's called scripts. Okay, so on this chapter I introduce the Scratch programming, the basic levels of Scratch programming that we are developing to the basic tools. In this video I explain what is actually Scratch. So first, Scratch is a basically software that is used to make game. So we will notice that the default sprites is orange cat. जो first when we download the Scratch programming in our laptop, computer or mobile, first default sprites is a cat. Okay, and when we choose different sprite to the programming from the library in Scratch, we can draw our own. Okay, so if we want to add some other scripts except that cat, so here one options, look at here, these options is present in the below of that stage. Okay, and from here you can choose these options to choose the different scripts. For that we can choose the first, it is a library. Okay, it is a script library, and here one paint options. From this we can use paint and upload script. If we are created our own scripts, so we just make an file and upload it on here. And using the camera, we can also use with the camera and to add new scripts. So first I explain you with the help of script library how we will insert the new script in our programming. Look at this. This is a script library. Okay, it's a script library. Previously I explained this. Okay, in here look at it is a, in this icon, if we are clicking this icon, it is a library of scripts, Scratch programming, and there are so many scripts previously provided by the Scratch programming. If we are clicking that icon, we got this screen. This is the library of Scratch programming. Here so many icons or scripts are present. You can choose. We can choose a script from the library. Okay, so first what we are doing, we just click any icon from this script library and click on the OK button. This OK button is provided below this library. Look at this. This is presence on here. Okay, you just click this button, so the new script are inserted in library. Okay, and look at here carefully. this is the this one tools. If we are drag this button at the downside, we got so many new scripts that is already installed in our Scratch programming. So we can choose that according to our program or according to our game. Okay, whatever icons are needed in our program, we just choose anyone to insert that in our game. Okay, so if we are inserted this, look it, I select these scripts to inside my program. It is a spider. Okay, so the spider scripts is also inserted here. Look at, two scripts are in my program. First one is orange cat. It is a predefined pre-built script, and if I want to insert new script in my program, so we just click that icon from the Scratch library and click OK. So these scripts are inserted in my programs. Okay, so suppose this is the using of library. If we want to choose the Paint, if I want to create my own script in my game or my program, so for that we are using Paint tool. Previously I provided you showing you like this one. Okay, look at this one, is this second options, it is a Paint options. So for if you want to create our own script, so we click this Paint icon from here. Okay, from that if we are clicking that, we got these types of screen. This is a Paint screen. It's just come beside the stage. Okay, so for what we are doing, we just click the Paint new script icon. This will be open a drawing pen. It is just like your MS Paint windows. Same thing we can do on here. First make sure we are making in vector mode. If it is say bitmap mode, to bottom right of the drawing pen, click on the converter to the vector button. Now click on the text icon. So they look at here, so many options are available. We just click any options. It is just similar to the drawing, MS drawing. You just click one by one, and if you want to type some text, you just type some text. If you want to insert some only the images like that square or a circle, or if you want to write some text, so you just click on this T options to write that. Just suppose oh my god, suppose these types of text you want to insert, so use this text to as a scripts. Okay, now the next is creating a scripts from a import image. If you want to import any images, you just click on upload. Just beside the Paint, there one star marks uploading folders are there. Okay, so you just click this and import the image. Okay, then modify the scripts. If you want to change the shapes of our script, so we can do also it. Okay, so how it is possible? It is possible through some options are available in okay, look it here. Okay, first one is a duplicate. If you want to create same icon, we just click on these options. If you want to delete any scripts from our program, so we just click on the second options. Grow option is used to increase the size of scripts, and shrink option is used to decrease the size of our scripts. Okay, if we want to change the size of scripts, we are using these following modified script options. These all tools are available just above the Scratch programming. Okay, when we start the Scratch programming, at the upside they are having one title bar, and these title bars are having these menus. Okay, so if we want to change the background of stage, by default it is a white in color. If we want to change its color also, suppose I want to make a game that is beside the bridge, or that is on that just Mario they are having some walls. If you want to create these types, so we can choose the background from library. Okay, these also available just below the stage. स्टेज के जस्ट बिलो ये ऑप्शंस 4 ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल होते हैं. इन फर्स्ट ऑप्शंस वी जस्ट चेंज द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ आवर स्टेज प्रोग्रामिंग. सेकेंड है पेंट न्यू बैकग्राउंड. इफ़ यू वांट टू क्रिएट आवर ओन बैकग्राउंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ पेंट टूल, इट्स ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडेड. देन अपलोड बैकग्राउंड फाइल. If we want to import some files from the background, for the background that is already not installed in our computer, so we just it downloaded from the uploading background from file. And new background from camera. If I want to insert my picture as a background, so this also provide the facility to insert new background from the camera also. Okay. Thank you, students.